Spelling, Week 32, irregular plurals. Last week we looked at when to add s and when to add es. Now we have irregular plurals. Number 1, goose, goose. We cooked a goose for dinner. Goose. Number 2, woman, woman. The woman held her son's hand. Woman, woman. Number 3, calf, calf. The calf, or baby cow, stays near its mother. Calf. Number 4, fish, fish. I saw many fish swimming in the lake. Fish. Number 5, mouse, mouse. The mouse lives in the hayfield. Mouse, mouse. Number 6, leaf, leaf. A leaf takes in light for a plant. Leaf, leaf. Number 7, children, children. The children are 6 years old. Children. Number 8, geese, geese. The geese fly together in flocks. The geese fly south for the winter. Geese. Number 9, calves, calves. Many calves are in the barn. Baby cows. Many calves are in the barn. Calves. Number 10, leaves, leaves. The leaves fell from the elm tree. Leaves, leaves. Number 11, half, half. We split the orange in half. Half. Number 12, child, child. The child is looking for her father. Child. Number 13, women, women. These women are studying law. These women are studying law. Women. Number 14, mice, mice. If mice come inside, get a cat. If mice come inside, get a cat. Mice. Number 15, halves, halves. 2 halves make a whole. Number 16, foot, foot. Number 17, feet, feet. Number 18, tooth, tooth. Number 19, teeth, teeth. Number 20, reindeer, reindeer. 21, airmail, airmail. 22, lava, lava. 23, spinach, spinach.